postman has delivered the package I've been waiting for. And I'll bet it's this one. Fragile. Which means we open it with a knife. Let's see. They take these pots up or what the hell? I should check who they're for. Man, would I be in trouble? Okay, that's not it. That's just a stupid knife. You don't make beef jerky with this knife. This is it for sure. For sure. I can feel it. Oh yeah. But nobody knows what it is yet. An LED shower head. No batteries, no wires, just a little generator in there that turns on some LEDs. Very exciting. Gonna use that tonight. Okay, we got our LED shower head hooked up. No wires, no batteries. Let's see how this thing works. I'm gonna have to turn the lights off. I don't see any LEDs. Oh. Oh, that's utterly disappointing. Let's turn the light off. Look at that. No. Oh. Wow. So that's not how it's supposed to work exactly. It's supposed to be blue when it's cold, I thought. And red when it's hot. Totally bizarre. Just all kinds of colors. Randomly. The light back on. It's just random colors. Can't believe the color has anything to do with temperature, because it doesn't. Doesn't seem to make a difference.
Oh, it's just tri-colored.
Yeah.
So this is cold. Turn the light off. Kind of cool.